In early 2005, I was contacted by the USGS and asked if I could design an autopilot for their autonomous boat project. My response was sure. I don't see why not. After all, I had been doing aircraft autopilots for years. So I built a unit for the USGS and installed it in their boat. We then took their boat out and tested it. It worked good, but not near as good as I would have liked. So I decided to build a boat of my own to continue working on and improving the performance of the autonomous boat Autopilot. The boat is made from Styrofoam blocks. It's 8 foot long, 4 foot wide, and 18 inches high. It has a 1/2 inch thick plywood deck and 1/4 inch plywood on its front, sides, and pontoons. The Styrofoam and plywood is covered with fiberglass cloth and marine-grade epoxy resin. There are two 12-volt battery compartments, one on each side of the boat, and there are two electronics compartments, a large one in the rear and a smaller one in the center. There is a small front compartment that was used to house the GPS, and all of the compartments are interconnected with PVC conduits. There are two rail channels mounted on the left and right hand sides of the deck. The rails were used to attach devices to the boat for testing, such as IR cameras or antennas. A pair of Minn Kota trolling motors set up for differential steering are used to propel the boat. I used a 3-channel 12-volt PWM speed controller to control the two trolling motors. In these telemetry data plots, the progression of improvement can be seen over time as the Autopilot software was tweaked. The boat is transported on a modified jet ski trailer. The trailer is a float-on, float-off, so it is very easy to launch and recover the boat, and it can be towed with a small truck or car. I have retired and no longer have a need for the boat and would like to find it a new home, preferably with a university where it can still be used for research and development work. Anyone looking for a test boat that's electronics ready, I will sell the boat and trailer for $3,500. Please check back with the On My Workbench channel for more videos on cool stuff. Please subscribe, like, comment, and click the little bell. And thanks from the On My Workbench channel.